Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a fingerprint lock in Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings application. This is where all the customization and security settings for your phone are located. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the Security and Privacy option. Tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the Device Unlock option and tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the Fingerprint option. Tap on it. Step 5. First, choose a Screen Lock option. For this tutorial, I will select the Pattern Lock option. Draw your preferred pattern on the screen, then redraw it to confirm your selection. Step 6. Finally, for the last and most important step, tap and hold the fingerprint sensor to complete the process and set the fingerprint lock instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.